I will start with introduction, where solar energy has the potential to significantly impact the field of clothes drying, reducing energy consumption by over 60% compared to electric dryers, according to a study by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory. Limited access to electricity in rural and developing areas requires the development of energy-efficient clothes drying solutions such as solar-powered clothing drying rack. Next, the problem statement aims to address the needs for a simple and effective solution to reduce energy consumption for households with limited access to electricity. The project objective is to design and develop a solar-powered clothing dyeing rack that utilizes the sun's energy in an environmentally friendly and cost-effective manner, meeting the needs of households for a compact, durable, and user-friendly drying rack. The project aims to provide a long-term solution to a common problem in domestic settings. Continue with the methodology for the solar-powered clothing drying rack project. Involves researching existing designs and technologies, developing concept designs, evaluating their feasibility, creating a functional prototype, gathering feedback from potential users, modifying the design based on results, and finally monitoring performance and gathering feedback for future enhancements. Lastly, for limitation, solar-powered clothing drying racks face limitations such as dependence on weather, higher costs, maintenance needs, design challenges, and space limitations, which can impact their effectiveness and adoption in areas with limited access to electricity.
New product development is essential for a business that wish to remain competitive and satisfy the client demand. It entails introducing a new product to the market, which may be an entirely new product, which an improvement on an existing product or an adaptation of an existing product to the new market. The NPD process begins with idea generation, in which a firm will identify new product potential based on the market research, consumer input, and internal brainstorming. This may involve analyzing new technology, market trends, and consumer requirement. After an idea has been selected, it is transformed into a concept and prototype. This may include design work, testing, and prototyping to ensure that the product fulfills the required specification and function as intended. Once the product is in a good condition, it enters the testing phase when its performance, dependability, and safety are reviewed. This can be include market research, focus group, and pilot testing to collect input and make the necessary adjustment. If the product passes this testing, production and distribution can begin. This include determining a pricing strategy, developing a market campaign, and release the product to the public. It is essential for a business to have a solid marketing strategy, since this will help to build product interest and boost sales. NPD is a difficult and time-consuming process, yet it is essential to a company's success. It enables the company to stay ahead of the competitor, adapt to changing client needs, and generate growth. It is essential to have a systematic procedure in place and involve all relevant stakeholders, including employees, customers, and suppliers. In the NPD process, by adopting a methodological strategy and collecting input at each stage, a company can boost the likelihood the new product and will be successful. New product creation is an essential aspect of every enterprise as it enables business to stay up with changing market trends and client demand. It is in the classification of NPD, there are two basic products category, which is completely new product, which is the new to the world or new to the firm. Other than that is improvement on existing products. First, products that are new to the world are products that have never been seen or offered on the market before. This item qualify as revolutionary invention because they are generate new market or disrupt existing one. These goods are inventive and revolutionary. They are alter how people live, work, and interact with their surrounding. The creation of new to the world product necessitates extensive research and development. Companies invest a substantial number of resources, time, and money into the creation of this product. They must undertake market research to find unmet requirements and pain spots, then use the data to build a solution that meets this demand. The development of the number of new to the world items are also require extensive testing and experimentation to verify that the product satisfies the expectation of the target market. There are no assurance that the new to the world item will be successful on the market, which is one of the most challenging aspects of developing them. There is always the possibility that consumer will reject the product or the market may not be ready for it. Before investing in the development of the new to the world product, it is vital for the business to exhaustive the market research. Despite the danger and difficulties, new to the world items have potential to generate the substantial value for the business and consumer. They can produce new revenue streams, open new markets, and establish a company as an industry leader. The iPhone, the personal computer, and the electric car are example of the successful new to the world item. The term new to the firm refers to the product new that are new to the company or organization but may have existed on the market previously. These items are developed through an adaptation process and are frequently based on current products or technologies which a company developed them to distinguish itself from the competitor and to suit the special needs of its client. Typically, the creation of the new to firm item is less hazardous and less costly than the development of the new to the world product. This is due to the fact that the new to the firm items are based on current products or technology and the firm can utilize its existing resources and expertise to build them. Company can also perform market research to uncover the demand and point of their target market and then build a product to meet those needs. One of the primary benefit to the new to the firm items is that they can be introduced to the market rapidly because they are based on existing product or technology. Business can frequently build them more quickly and at a lesser cost than world first innovation. A company can also employ new to firm products to enter new market to expand its product portfolio to broaden its product offer, and a company that mostly sell garment may launch a new to firm products such as line of accessories. Another type of new product development is an improvement on existing products. It is process of modifying or improving existing item to enhance their performance, functionality, or design. This category of new product development is often known as expansion of the product line or product improvement. Improving the current item is frequently less risky and less costly than creating new to world or new to firm product. This is due to the fact that the business already has a customer base and a proven market for the product and can estimate the potential success of the enhancement. In addition, the organization can utilize its current knowledge, resources, and the technology to implement the changes. Existing product can be improved in a variety of ways, including by expanding existing product lines, making enhancement and revision, reducing costs, repositioning the product. Adding to the current product lines is a typical method for enhancing the existing item. This may involve adding new size, colors, or variant to an existing product. For instance, a cloth maker may add a new color or patterns to an existing clothing line, or a car manufacturer may add a new trim level to an existing automobile. Existing product enhancement and modification are another method for enhancing existing products. This may involve adding new features, improving the design, enhancing the product's efficiency or performance, or updating the product's technology. For instance, a smartphone maker may upgrade an existing smartphone model by incorporating a better camera, larger battery, or quicker processor. Cost reduction is an additional method for enhancing existing item. This may involve reducing production costs, employing more efficient manufacturing methods, or sourcing a new raw material sources. For instance, a corporation may improve an existing product by locating a cheaper source for the product's raw ingredient or by employing more efficient manufacturing techniques to cut production costs. Repositioning is the final method for improving the existing products, which this will involve altering a product's target market or the way it is promoted or advertised. For instance, a corporation may reposition an existing product by targeting it at a different demographic or by emphasizing various product attributes in its advertising. In conclusion, enhancement to the current products can take a variety of form, including the new addition of new lines, enhancement and changes to the existing item. Cost reduction and repositioning those enhancements can help a business grow revenue, attract new consumers, and remain competitive in the market.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzat Farhan bin HAMZAH FANSURI. So today I'm going to present the next part in this presentation, which is new product development process. So I will talk about research and development. So for research and development, there are three main components, which is first idea generation, idea screening, and market survey. Firstly, I will start with the idea generation. The idea of solar dye rack came from the discussion of the group when we talk about the daily life usage. The idea is to add some new features to drying rack such as solar system and a blower to help people for drying their clothes much faster. There are some factors that inspire us to develop new dye rack with solar system and blower. For example, is change in weather. The amount of time needed for people to dry their clothes is significantly increased, especially during the rainy season. Then the cost of living is increasing day by day, which makes some of people can afford to have machine dryer at their home. By develop this solar drying rack, it can help people to overcome this problem. Next part is idea screening. Idea screening is the process of evaluating new product ideas at an early stage in the development process to ensure that they meet business objective and customer expectations. There are a few suggestions that we made for the product development of Solar Direct. First, less time consuming. As a result of using this product, people can reduce the amount of time they spend waiting for their laundry dry. Second is affordable price. We will ensure that the price is fair and within the range of reasonable expenditure for the design. Lastly, save energy and cost. The use of solar direct can reduce monthly expense of electricity and also save energy. Last part is market survey. In order to assess the marketability of our product, which is solar direct, a survey containing some question about direct innovation was included in order to analyze customer need and acceptability of this innovative product. The survey is divided into three sections, which is Part A, Part B, and Part C. Part A is the general information about the respondent, like their gender, status, age, and current occupation. Then part B is the customer feedback on existing direct. Lastly, part C is about respondent opinion and acceptance of direct innovation we propose for our new product development in the marketplace. From the result, it demonstrates that the improvement made to direct satisfy customer needs.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad HAZMILADLI bin HUMAIDI and I will continue on the build prototype presentation. This is our solar drying rack prototype which has been drawn in the CATIA software. So as we can see, there are 6 main parts totally, which is upper ducting and vent, blower, lower ducting and vent, clothes hanger, solar panel and switchboard. The mechanism of this item is simple, which is from the solar panel is generate the electricity and transfer to the blower. The blower will generate the kinetic energy and transform into the heat energy. So the heat energy will function to dry the rack when we hang on the clothes hanger. So this is our drafting for our prototype. As we can see, the maximum height is 1.4 meter and the maximum length for the drying rack is 1.28 meter and the total length of our drying rack from the solar panel to the blower, which is 2.13 meter. Next, we go to the test marketing. Test marketing, our objective is to determine a product market position. There are various methods, but we have choose method of survey. The survey from active respondent by using Google Form. And the result we can see on the pie chart, most respondent, which is 94.4%, agree that this product is efficient and save time, while only 5.6% disagree. This survey shows positive response. This proves that this product affects consumer and the market. However, further features and addition may raise user satisfaction and market value. Next is Consumer Trend Canvas, which is a simple framework for identifying consumer trends and creating value-based innovation. There are 6 criteria totally, which is basic need, drivers of change, emerging consumer expectation, inspiration, innovation potential, and who. For the basic need, it will improve quality of life. A drying rack can improve your laundry experience by saving time, energy, and preventing wrinkles. Next is connection with technology. Smart technology features can improve efficiency, convenience, and sustainability while allowing remote control. Next, for the driver of change, for the long term, using a solar drying rack can help address the climate crisis, save money, and promote sustainability by utilizing free renewable energy from the sun and reducing reliance on the non-renewable energy sources. For the short term, using a solar drying rack multiple times a day can optimize drying efficiency, save time and money, and make laundry easier with its immediate drying after washing and reduce need for power or gas. Imagine consumer expectation. Climate change demands consumers adapt their daily lifestyle. Consumers seek out brands that may assist them for transitioning from unsustainable to sustainable alternative. Next is it can make consumer life easier by minimizing the energy and time usage. What inspires us is to assist consumers in reducing drying time for laundry, optimizing sun exposure, and incorporating advanced technology features such as blower. Next, reduce monthly expenses for the cost of electricity. Sun's energy is a free and renewable energy. It eliminates the need to use electricity gas to dry the clothes. Next on our innovation potential, there are two, which is experimental campaign marketing and make a montage video on social media. Experimental campaign marketing is a method to gather data and improve the effectiveness of the marketing campaign by using experiment like A or B testing, randomized control risk, or survey. Make a montage video. We will make a short film that link to the product, such as its benefit and how to use it, and it will be posted on the social media such as Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Who need this product? Group of family at home and group of students at a college. As we know that they can fully utilize this solar drying rack for their daily life.
In conclusion, the solar power drying rack with advanced features such as a blower aims to improve the quality of life by making laundry more efficient, easy, energy saving, and ecological beneficial. Concept testing and test marketing has been done, and the majority of the respondents found it efficient and time saving. It addressed the need for consumers to adapt to climate change by reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emission. The product contributes to reducing family energy expenditure. It is flexible for both indoor and outdoor use and is in line with growing demand for eco-friendly and sustainable products. The device has potential to deliver significant convenient energy efficiency and environment sustainability benefits to the household. Although an additional modification may be required to increase user satisfaction and commercial value. That's it, and thank you.